Have you ever wondered what does iPhone made in China reach India? How does Indian rice reach Africa? Or how do millions of products travel across the world every single day? The answer is seaport. Around 80 to 90% of global merchandise trade by volume move through the sea, making ports the backbone of international trade. If you are working in export-import, logistics, freight forwarding or preparing for an EXIM career, knowing these ports is essential. So in the today's video, let's explore the top 10 busiest seaport in the world in a simple and practical way. Port number 10, Tianjin, which is in China. Number 10 is Tianjin Port, located near Beijing. Tianjin is one of the northern China's largest gateway. It handles containers, automobiles, coal, iron ore, and industrial cargo. For companies importing from North China, Tianjin plays a major role. Port number 9, Hong Kong. At the 9 is Hong Kong Port. For decades, Hong Kong has been one of the world's most efficient ports. Its excellent connectivity and customs efficiency make it a preferred transshipment hub. Even today, it remains a significant player in international shipping. Port number 8, Guangzhou, which is in China. Number 8 is Guangzhou Port, located in southern China. It supports one of the country's biggest manufacturing region. Large volume of electronics, machinery, furniture and textiles are exported from here. Port number 7, Busan, which is in South Korea. Number 7 is Busan Port in South Korea. Busan is one of the Asia's largest transshipment hub. Many shipments moving between China, Japan and the rest of the world pass through Busan. It's especially important for automobile and electronics exports. Port number 6, Qingdao, that is in China. Number 6 is Qingdao Port. It is famous for handling both containers and bulk cargo. The port supports industries like steel, chemical, machinery and agriculture. Port number 5, Ningbo, which is in China. It is one of the world's largest deep water port. Apart from containers, it also handles crude oil, iron ore and bulk cargo in massive quantities. Port number 4, Shenzhen, which is in China. Number 4 is Shenzhen Port, located near Hong Kong. Shenzhen serves thousands of factories manufacturing electronics, mobile phones and consumer goods. Many products sold worldwide begin their journey from this port. Port number 3, Singapore. Number 3 is the port of Singapore. Singapore is one of the world's biggest transshipment hubs. Ships from Europe, Asia, the Middle East and Africa connect here. Its highly automated operations make cargo movement extremely fast and efficient. Port number 2, Shanghai, which is in China. Number 2 is Shanghai Port. For many years, Shanghai has been among the busiest container port in the world. It connects over 200 countries and thousands of shipping routes. A huge percentage of China's exports pass through Shanghai. And the port number 1 is Rotterdam. No, people may think Rotterdam is still the world's biggest port. But today that's not correct. The title belongs to Shanghai Port. With tens of millions of containers handled every year, Shanghai continues to dominate global container trade. It truly represents the heart of international shipping. Why should EXIM professionals know this? Now you may ask, why is this important for export-import professionals? Because knowing major ports helps you understand and shipping routes, estimate transit times, select better logistics options, communicate confidently with freight forwarder, perform better during interviews. Whether you are an export executives, documentation officers, freight coordinators or supply chain professionals, this knowledge adds real value to your career. Which of these ports surprised you the most? Let me know in the comment. And if you want to build a successful career in export-import, logistics or supply chain, subscribe to this channel because every week I bring practical knowledge that helps you grow professionally. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.